What does that have to do with the White House? Well, does anyone?
Entourage is Obama's favorite show.
Okay. Well, that says a lot, actually. Wannabe kids who are pretty good looking, trying to make it in a world that they really don't have any experiences, and making total fools of themselves. NBC doesn't think at all that that burger run was part of the orchestration, just like they do in reality shows. It's time to give out the final rose.
In one more thing, there are apples everywhere. Orchards work up them and bowls throughout the building.